Good morning students. Now in this video we will study about the First World War. First World War started in 1914 and ended in 1970. So during First World War, world was divided into two power blocks. See this map. In this map you are watching two colors. One is green and second is yellow. So with green colors you are looking at Central Powers. Central Powers means four countries: Germany, Austria, Hungary and Turkey. Second group was Allied Powers with yellow color. Countries were England, France, Russia and America. So in your notebook you also have to fill world map with two colors showing two power blocks during the First World War. So in Russia the war was initially very popular, but later support grew thin, means later Russians were not in favor of war. Tsar's wife Alexandria was having German origin. She belonged to German, and in Russia at that time anti-German sentiments were very high, and Alexandria and his advisor, Tsar Nicholas' advisor monk, his name was Rasputin, both made Tsar Nicholas unpopular. Means due to his wife Alexandria and his advisor Rasputin, Tsar Nicholas became unpopular. Tsar refused to consult Duma, means he was not working according to parliament. Parliament name was Duma. So due to anti-German sentiments, people were against Tsar and his wife Alexandria. Saint Petersburg was name of area in Russia. So Saint Petersburg name seemed German name, so people changed that name to Petrograd. During First World War, there were 7 million casualties and 3 million refugees in Russia. War also affected the industries. In Russia, there were very few industries that were their own industries. They were dependent on other countries for their supplies. Railway lines were broken and workers were also short. So that's why industries were badly affected, because we need railways to transport goods and services, and workers are needed for production work. Why workers were in short? Because young people were on the borders to war. Small workshops producing essential commodities were shut down due to these two, as a railway line was short and workers were short, so small workshops were shut down. By 1916, there was common scene on the bread shops of people fighting with each other. So riots were common scene there. So people were not happy there, so they started a revolution that was called February Revolution in Petrograd. So there was a river called River Neva, Neva, Neva. On right side of River Neva was workers' quarters and factories, and on the left side of river was fashionable area, Winter Palace and all offices. Food shortage was deeply felt in workers' quarters in winter of 1917. So people were hungry. Obviously, people who are hungry, they will revolt. Parliamentarians who wish to preserve elected government opposed to Tsar desire to dissolve Duma. So all parliamentarians and workers were against the Tsar. On 22nd February, lockout on right bank of Neva was seen. Workers of 50 other factories joined in sympathy, and the women were also participating in the strike. So that day was called International Women's Day. Government imposed curfew at the quarters of fashionable area, and official buildings were surrounded by people, worker. On 24th and 25th, government called cavalry to check the rebellions, to keep an eye on them. On 25th February, government suspended Duma, and politicians spoke against that suspension of Duma. People were out with force once again. So on 27th, police headquarters were ransacked, means encircled by the workers. Cavalry called out again, however it refused to fire on demonstrators. So cavalry refused to fire on demonstrators or workers. An officer was shot at the barracks of regiment, and other regiments also mutined. Voting to join the striking workers gathered to form a Soviet or council. So people joined the workers in the strike, and they gathered at one place and formed one council that was called Soviet or Petrograd Soviet. A delegation went to meet Tsar. Military commander advised him to abdicate. Abdicate means to remove from his throne. Tsar abdicated on 2nd March, and the next government was provincial government that was formed by Soviet and Duma. That provincial government was adopted to run the Russia.